here for Ames's Antics. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well today because we have another beauty DIY to have a go at this week. So in this week's video we are looking at how to make DIY shower fizzes. Now shower fizzes are slightly different to bath bombs, but the making of them is very similar. And they are designed to be used in the shower, obviously, to release some beautiful aromas from the essential oils that are used to give you a really nice uplifting, pampering, at spa home feeling in the shower. Now we know with the lockdown it's all been a little bit stressful, and I think coming out of lockdown has its own anxieties for people, so why not help pamper yourself and reduce some of that anxiety by having a pampering shower. Now like I said, they are different to bath bombs and they have a stronger dilution of essential oils in them to really release it and give you that benefits that essential oils have. So if it sounds like something you would like to have a go at making, then let's get crafting. To make the Uplifting Citrus scented DIY shower fizzy, you are going to need 1 cup of bicarbonate of soda, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of cornstarch and witch hazel in a spray bottle. You will also need lime essential oil, sandalwood essential oil and orange essential oil, as well as a large glass mixing bowl and a small bath bomb mould and a whisk to mix it all together with. First, prepare the tray that the shower fizzes are going to sit on with some grease-proof paper, and then add 1 cup of bicarbonate of soda to a large mixing bowl, followed by a half cup of corn flour, and then mix these together slightly before adding in your 1/4 cup of citric acid. Mix again to make sure they are all combined together, and then it's time to add in some essential oils. First, add in 1 milliliter of sandalwood essential oil. Now sandalwood is known to aid in reducing anxiety and has some insomnia relief properties to it, as well as enhancing mental awareness. So once you have added this in, just make sure you are mixing as you go so that it doesn't cause any fizzing, making sure it is fully combined. Then add in 2 milliliters of lime essential oil. Now lime essential oil aids in uplifting your mood as well as reducing stress and anxiety. Again, mix this in whilst you are adding it to make sure that there is no fizzing effect to the fizzes, because you don't want them fizzing now, you want them fizzing in the shower. And finally, add in 2 milliliters of orange essential oil. Now orange is known to lower anxiety and stress as well as lift your mood, hence the Uplifting Citrus name for this shower fizzy. Again, mix it all in until it is fully combined. It's now time to form the shower fizzes, so use some witch hazel in a spray bottle and spritz 1 to 2 times at a time, mixing this into the mixture. Now you want to make sure you are mixing constantly whilst doing this, because the witch hazel can cause the mixture to begin fizzing, which you don't want to happen now, and you want it to happen when it is in the shower as a fizzy. So keep mixing this in until you get to the right consistency, and you are looking for damp sand consistency here. And once you place it in your hand, it should be able to be squeezed, hold its place, and you can pass it from one hand to the other, very much similar to a bath bomb. To form the shower fizzy, you just want to use a small bath bomb mould and only use half of this, placing in the mixture loosely and then pressing this down as evenly but as hard as you can by hand to make sure all of the fizzy sticks together inside that mould. Once you are happy with this, turn it over in your hand and use a spoon just to tap on the outside of the mould. This should help release any air pressure and allow the fizzy to come out of the mould. And then place this onto the prepared tray that we did earlier and allow that to dry, and carry on making more of the fizzes until all of your mixture is used up. any leftover shower fizzy mixture that doesn't form a fizzy in the bath bomb mould, just place it into a sealable sandwich bag and allow this to dry out in that. You can then use this mixture to sprinkle in the bottom of your bath for a lighter aromatherapy session. Nothing in this DIY has gone to waste. Allow it to dry and harden for at least 24 hours before using in the shower, and your Uplifting Citrus shower fizzes are ready. To make the at-home spa blend, you are going to need the same ingredients of 1 cup of bicarbonate of soda, half a cup of citric acid and a half cup of cornstarch, as well as a witch hazel in a sprayable bottle. But to get that really spa fragrance, you are going to need these essential oils: rosemary, peppermint, lavender, orange and tea tree. Make the base fizzy mixture as before and then add in 1 milliliter of rosemary essential oil. Now, rosemary is known to reduce stress and help with pain, as well as increase concentration and uplift the mood. Then add in 1 milliliter of peppermint essential oil. Now, peppermint essential oil is known to have a bit of a pick-me-up vibe to it, as well as boosting your energy. Next to add in is 1 milliliter of lavender essential oil. Now, lavender essential oil is more known, I think, for sleep and helping you to relax at night, but it can also help reduce tension and ease any nerves. Then add in 0.5 milliliter of orange essential oil or sweet orange essential oil, whichever you have to hand. And again, as before, orange is known to lower anxiety and stress, as well as lift the mood. And finally, it is time to add in 0.5 milliliter of tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil has a lot of skin benefits. However, for this, it is being used for purifying and freshening the air. It can also help awaken the senses when it's been mixed with the other essential oils. Make sure all of the essential oils have been thoroughly mixed into the mixture, and then form your shower fizzes as before, letting these dry and harden for 24 hours before using in the shower, and then your at-home spa shower fizzes are ready. For the Relaxing Florals shower fizzes, you are going to need the base ingredients from before, so 1 cup of bicarb, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of cornstarch, as well as the witch hazel in the spray bottle, and the essential oils of lavender, geranium, rose and clary sage. To the base fizzy mixture, add in 1.5 milliliter of lavender essential oil. Now, lavender again reduces tension and eases nerves. Then add in 1.5 milliliter of geranium essential oil. Now, geranium can be known to reduce stress and calm nerves. Next, add in 1.5 milliliter of rose absolute. Now, rose is known again to reduce stress and anxiety. And finally, add in 0.5 milliliters of clary sage. Now, clary sage has a similar effect of reducing stress and calming the mind. And there you have Relaxing Florals DIY shower fizzes. So there you have how to make your own DIY shower fizzes at home to give you that really nice aromatherapy experience when in the shower, and a nice at-home spa feeling as well. Now, with these shower fizzes, you do need to place them out of the direct stream of the water, so place them to the edge of where the water goes. You still want a bit of water to hit them to create that reaction, but the steam will really help carry those essential oils up and just give you the benefits from them and a really nice pampering experience. And you also want to store these shower fizzies in an airtight container, because you don't want them fizzing before you use them, because you won't get the full benefit of the fizzy and them lovely essential oils. So keep them in an airtight container. And I created 3 different blends here, so please do let me know in the comments below which blend you preferred and which one you would really like to have a go at. I would love to know, so put them in the comments. And if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button up there, because there's lots of videos coming up every week. I post a new video every Sunday morning, and it does range from this beauty DIY type style video to a bit of sewing inspiration and just generally getting you inspired to become creative and have a go at making lots of different handmade things. So click subscribe if that sounds like something you would enjoy, and check out my blog below as well, Ames's Antics, because there's always a ton more information over there for you to have a look at. And with that said, I will see you in next week's video, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day and week, and I will see you next time.